Somewhere on a forgotten farm in the Russian countryside, a URAL-4320 has been swallowed by the land. Up close, the Ural shows every year it spent here. Rust, rot, and total neglect. The driver's door is forced open for the first time in decades. A heavy recovery truck rolls onto the farm. The operation begins.
All right, we're here. Let's see the damage. Looks pretty rusted. Might be a tough job.
Steel chains are hooked under the Ural's front axle. The ground holds it tight. Not for long.
Hook extra! Ready when you are! Copy that! Pulling now!
The Ural tears free from the farm floor. Years of roots and earth finally give way. The Ural reaches the workshop. Under bright lights, the full scale of damage becomes clear. High-pressure water tears through decades of mud. The Ural's true condition begins to surface. The hood is lifted. The Ural's IV-8 sits frozen in grease and rust. The engine is stripped down part by part, every bolt corroded, every component suspect. Degreaser, wire brush, solvent. Each part stripped back to bare, honest metal. The angle grinder runs across every panel, rust ground back down to clean steel. New gaskets, seals, filters. The Ural's V8 is rebuilt from the bottom up. The Ural's cab is laid in gray primer, every panel sealed and ready. Deep classic red, applied in long, even passes, the Ural earns its color back. The engine goes back in, every bracket and hose reconnected by hand. Key in, the Ural cranks and fires, rough, loud, and alive. A full walk around, every panel checked, every bolt accounted for. The Ural is ready. The workshop doors roll open. Daylight hits the red Ural for the first time. It rolls forward under its own power. The URAL-4320 leaves the workshop, restored and heading out.